Today we talk about how can you disable activities notifications on your PolyAi app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go here above this sign, click on it. You come to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Come here to activities, click in this sign or this color. So like you see here color, it's gone. That's mean activities notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.